7 p.m., an 8.9 magnitude earthquake takes place of 231 northeast of Tokyo. Original record magnitude later upgraded to 9.0, then 9.1. The Pacific Tsunamis Warning Center issues a tsunami warning for the Pacific Ocean from Japan to US about an hour after the quake. Waves up to 30 feet high hit the Japanese coast, whipped away the vehicles, causing buildings to collapse. And several roads and highways, and Japan government declares a state of emergency of nuclear power plant near Sendai, 180 miles from Tokyo. 60 to 70,000 people living nearby are ordered to evacuate to the shelter. James?
6.8 magnitude earthquake struck the Japan. Residents reported school had been severely damaged, luckily empty of students at the time, as the quake happened on a Sunday. Governor Makito of Tokyo, Japan, said a 3-story building had collapsed. Classes have been suspended for Monday and bridges closed due to cracks. Tokyo City officials said there were several aftershocks in nearby provinces, including a 5.0 magnitude. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, it added that there was no tsunami threat, as the quake struck inland and knocked the water. It's the latest in a series of quakes to strike the island in recent months. In October, another series of 6.6 and 6.5 magnitude quakes struck Tokyo, killing 14 and injuring more than 400.